Hey guys, today I'm unboxing two 16TB enterprise drives from Server Part Deals. And these aren't just any used drives, these are factory recertified. And basically, it's the gold standard for pre-owned storage. This is the highest grade of used you can get because the drives go back to the original manufacturer, and in this case, the original manufacturer is Seagate. So let's crack this FedEx package open and see what I got. First things first, the packaging. SPD ships their drive securely in this clamshell wrap. And it's not just loose in the cardboard, banging around during delivery. It's nice and tight with no movement and no rattling, so these don't look like they were damaged during shipping at all. I grabbed these for my server build because 16TB hits the sweet spot for cost per terabyte right now. And SPD's factory recertified stock comes with a 2-year warranty, which is way better than the 90-day warranties that you see from these random resellers or 30-day that you may see on Amazon. Amazon didn't have the same protection without the extra payment or special deals. The ones on Amazon weren't labeled as factory recertified. So the next tier under factory recertified is vendor recertified. And the drive is tested by a large enterprise refurbisher, not the original manufacturer. And the ones that were advertised on Amazon, at least to me, those were only refurbished. So I stayed away from those. I bought mine for roughly $256 each in January, but the price has gone way up. But basically, no dents, no bumps, no scratches or lumps. I'm pretty happy about these. I do need to get more for parity, but these will do until those prices go down. The price has gone up immensely since I bought this stuff. I found 2025 Q4 failure rate testing, and it showed less than 1% failure in 10,000 drive days. The uptime isn't bad on these, so hopefully I'll still get a parity drive soon. I just have the two 16TB in the array and an M2 SSD for cache. And if you're interested, here's Unraid, and here's just basic verification. But let me know if you like it. Leave a like in the comments. Let me know if you like my new outfit. And maybe I'll show you my unboxed server tower. Thanks. Maybe subscribe, or just leave a comment for engagement. A like and subscribe really helps and goes a long way. I just started, so if you could give me some support, that'd be great. Thanks.